Alright, welcome to Dave and Sue's video channel. This is an ongoing project. We actually started this project over a year ago. This is our concrete frog. There's a lot more to go. We started sculpturing this frog inside our shop in the winter time, but we had to bring him out here because I don't want him to get too heavy, because I'll show you where we're going to put him. That concrete frog is going to be mounted way up in the air on this structural concrete slab that we're pouring today. I've been pouring it. Let me show you some more detail. Here we have a bird's eye view of the top of the slab. We are pouring the center of this today. I have the mixer turning right now. The original precast I poured on the ground was this oval, and it's only 3/4 of an inch thick with this thin rim. I poured it on a table over here up in the air, and then when it cured, I lifted it and, well, kind of shoved it up by myself up on some like bridge abutments, which I'll show you that. Let me get down from here and explain more. But I added these the other day, these wings, to give it more of a leaf effect. This is going to be like a lily pad or something that the frog is sitting on. I didn't want it to be just square. So this is really hanging off. So all this rebar, I have smaller rods. I don't know if you could see, pencil rods drilled all the way in there. Those go into this platform. We're pouring an upper platform today with fiber mesh special mix. Here's the lower view. These are my basic bridge abutments. I have one here, and one is incorporated into this round thing. They are, this one here is about 2 foot this way, about 18 inches this way. It's solid concrete all the way down. Same thing with this. It's a round, solid piece of concrete. There's 5 number 5 bars shooting straight up inside of these and drilled into this concrete wall. This concrete wall goes way into the ground. So structurally, we have a very good, solid platform. Except for our wings, they're not structural enough yet. I'm leaving in all the braces until I get today's pour in to kind of tie it all in. Now, I know everybody has their opinions, and I put this on one of my concrete pages. I'll probably put this video on there. I'll get beat up about it, but that's all right. Everybody has their opinions. I believe that structurally this is going to be just fine with the amount of rebar and mesh and the type of mix I'm using. I don't use just regular concrete. I put additives, like I said, the fiber mesh. I put the polymers in there. This part here is 100% bonding agent polymer in these mixes here because they're so important. Used no water. There's water to make that polymer and bonding agent, but very expensive mix, but very strategic what's going on with these overhangs. So basically, I'm making a concrete form is what I did in the prior pours. And you can see it's a pretty good cantilever that's happening here. And the frog's butt is going to be up here, and there's going to be a little bit of weight on it, but not a lot. I mean, I've been walking up there framing it, and it's fine, and I don't even have this structural part poured here. This is the back end of the frog right now, and you can see it's a very thin skin that we put on. It's a special mix for our sculptures, but the whole center of the frog is hollow. This is a chase for water that's going to go through his throat. These 2 chases are for LED lights inside of his eyes. So there's a lot going to be mechanically going on inside of this frog, but he's not going to weigh a heck of a lot of weight. I got electrical outlets in here. I have his front legs, but I got to build his back legs, like I said. I just kind of tacked the back end together, and I stopped with the front part of the shell in the heated shop, and the rest I got to do out here because he's getting too heavy for me to lift and put up there. So I'm going to finish him up there. And so, like I said, he's going to shoot out water into this trough. This trough is going to go down, and then I'm going to build a waterfall, and the water is going to sheet down into the pond here. And there's our pond. As you can see, we've had this pond for many, many years now. I don't know, it's over 5, maybe under 10. But we started out with just this footprint. Then we added on these bogs. These bogs filter all the water as it spills back into the pond here. And it's a natural filtration system and wraps around. That's the deepest part over there. We added that addition about 2-3 years ago. I think it's about as big as we want to get it. We're just adding some more decorative, interesting features to finish off this interesting artwork of a pond. Thanks for watching, and that's about all I have. Here's the first mixing in the drum. The fun part is dumping it in this wheelbarrow, wheeling it over to there, and I'm gonna have to shovel it up to that slab, but it's what has to be done to have something nice. I'm guessing about 3 or 4 of these mixes, which is about 3 or 4 wheelbarrows, but I'm guessing could be more. But yeah. So if you like what I'm doing and you believe I deserve to get paid, you can send me money. No, I'm just kidding. I just love all these YouTube channels that make money off of showing what they do. We're not about that. Everything's free here. Tune in at any time. This is just for fun, and we really, really enjoy, Sue and I, what we do. This is our future jacuzzi. I mean, it's up and running, but it's nowhere near what we want it to be in the future. We want to create a heat source and heat it with firewood and get some more jets going in there, but it's a work in progress. We got the water moving. It's good enough for now. This is one of Sue's projects right now. What this is had really bad siding. It's our shed, and we put expanded metal. We screwed to the wood, and we parged it with special concrete. We have all kind of different mixes. Sue's starting to add her color. That's going to be sky, and this is a real smooth mix. It's a special mix, but you can see we only have, I don't know, maybe about a ½ inch thick, if that. And there's no cracks in it. It's been here for over a month, so it cured real nice. So Sue ordered some special stencils and stuff. I think she's gonna go with this design right here, but this was a test piece on a small piece of concrete. She is ordering vinyl as we speak online. It might get here tomorrow, and she's got to do it in sections because it's going to be pretty huge compared to this one. I think it's going to be in 21 sections. We're going to cut it this way and this way because her Cricut won't print that big, but in the future hopefully we could do stuff bigger. But this is a big experiment for her right now. We'll keep you posted on that also. Alright, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and watch future interesting videos of our work, Sue and mine. All together, we are one.